In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare charts in TradingView, an essential skill for any trader or analyst who wants to get a better understanding of multiple assets together. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step so you can efficiently analyze charts and make more informed decisions. To begin with, you want to open a chart for your primary asset, the one you're interested in analyzing in depth. Once you have your main chart visible, the next step is locating the Compare or Add symbol button. You'll find this as the plus icon conveniently positioned next to the main chart symbol. When you click this plus button, it opens up a search menu. Here you can type in the symbol of the asset you wish to compare. It's as simple as typing the symbol and selecting it from the list that appears. After selecting the asset, you'll be prompted to choose a comparison method. There are three primary methods available, each offering a unique perspective on how to view your chart. The first method is same percentage scale, which overlays the asset directly onto your main chart. This method is useful for depicting the percentage change from a specific point in time, giving you insight into how two different charts move relative to each other. Next, you have the New Price Scale option. By selecting this, the compared asset gets its own separate price scale on either the left or right side of your chart. This is particularly helpful if you're looking to compare assets with different nominal values, as it gives each one its own context while still viewing them side by side. And finally, there's the New Pane method. This opens the compared asset in a separate, independent pane above or below your main chart. Looking at separate panes works wonderfully if you want more space to examine each asset individually without mixing their data on a single chart. Once you've set up your comparison, take a moment to customize the appearance to match your preferences and make the data clearer. All you have to do is double-click the line of the added symbol, which will allow you to change its line color, adjust the thickness, or switch it from a line to another chart type such as area or candlestick. Customizing your charts makes them easier to read and more personally intuitive for you. Now, depending on your analysis needs, you might want to change the time frame of the main chart. This is easily done and allows you to see the performance of these assets over different periods, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, helping you capture long-term versus short-term trends. Finally, should you need to isolate your view back to a single symbol or focus on fewer comparisons, use the eye icon. This handy tool allows you to hide or show specific symbols at will, streamlining your workspace and keeping only the most necessary information at the forefront. And there you have it, a straightforward way to compare charts in TradingView. I hope you found this guide helpful and are ready to use these insights to enhance your trading strategies. Thanks for watching and happy charting.